Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to quickly set the customized cabinet lightings into your cabinet. Alright, let's get started. So over here, I already have a cabinet. So next thing, you click on the cabinet, right click, and over here at the bottom, you can see there's a light. So click on install. Alright, so first thing you need to do is choose a light. Alright, after you're done choosing your light, you're able to set the directions, positions. All right, so over here we can set the directions, either we want it downwards, upwards, or both panels. Okay, so next at the position, so do you want your lights to be in front, on the center, or at the back? All right, and of course this is the measurement. Okay, so if let's say I'm going to put the lights at the back, so there's a 10 millimeters gap from my back panel. So next thing, we can also adjust the colors. Okay, so right now is white light. Okay, so you can make it a little bit dimmer. All right, make it a little bit warmer. Okay, and of course you can also set the brightness. All right, over here, once you're done, you can immediately just click generate. All right, so there you have it. So this is how to quickly set a cabinet lightings into your cabinet. Good luck trying, guys.